Hi everyone, it's Manon Durand. I'm Health and Data Protection Lawyer at Pharmaspecific. We are meeting today to talk about the difference between anonymization and pseudonymization. Let's first define those two words. Anonymization is a process that will prevent any re-identification of the data. In other words, if we set up anonymization, it will be impossible afterwards to re-identify the data that will have been anonymized. For data subjects, it's like their data no longer belongs to them because it will be impossible to reattribute those data. To be clearer, anonymization will make any data irreversibly anonymous. On the other hand, pseudonymization is a processing of personal data in such a way that it is impossible to reattribute the data without additional information. Pseudonymization consists of replacing identifying data, name, surname, for example, with non-identifying data, an alias or a code number, for example. So a perfect example in clinical research that what pseudonymization can be is the list that is kept by the investigator on site that links the identifying data of the patient, his or her name and surname, with the code, so a non-identifying data that will have been attributed to him or her for the conduct of the study. So the difference between anonymization and pseudonymization is that anonymization will prevent in any way the re-identification of the data. It will be impossible to re-identify the data no matter what. On the other hand, pseudonymization can allow the re-identification of the data if we cross the non-identifying data with some additional data. Anonymization and pseudonymization both are security measures that can be implemented by the controller or the processor, but they do not respond the same obligation since anonymized data no longer are personal data. Therefore, they do not fall into the scope of the GDPR, whereas pseudonymized data still are personal data and have to be processed in accordance with the GDPR. If you want to have more information on anonymization and or pseudonymization, or if you need a data protection officer, do not hesitate to contact Pharmaspecific. We will help you with your demand. See you soon!